Here's the big one.
Don't make it dizzy.
I know, I'm trying to make it move. He wants to get out. Okay, he's moving.
Ah, it's moving.
Yeah, that one guy, he's quick. Huh? He's everywhere. Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Where is he going?
He wants to get out. He's trying to stand on the worm. I can make him
Don't
move.
shake it. No.
Hey, don't shake it, Bev.
Okay, there.
That's not good for them, Bev.
Why not?
Why not? You're rattling their brains. Poor little bugs. Be nice to them, okay? Because we're going to put them back. You never know. They might have a family. It could be a little baby.
That's the missing bug.
That's the missing bug there.
He's silly.
Kidnapped by Antoinette.
And Daddy, I got the worm. I found the worm. Daddy found this and the baby one. Daddy found the 2 little centipedes. That baby one right there. And I found the huge worm and he picked it up.
I walked right by. I was